In the cold rivers of the north, a journey begins. A creature born of strength and instinct, the salmon, moves through life with purpose. From the wild ocean to your kitchen table, it remains one of nature's greatest gifts, rich, powerful, and full of life. Just one serving of salmon gives your body over 20 grams of pure, high quality protein, the kind your muscles need to recover, grow, and stay strong. Packed with omega 3s, vitamin B12, and vitamin D, salmon helps your heart, your brain, and your energy. And the best part, you can cook it your way, steamed, grilled, or baked. Healthy never tasted so good. For fitness, for balance, for family, salmon fits every lifestyle. Whether you're training hard or simply eating clean, it fuels you with what your body truly needs. Strong, simple, delicious. That's the power of salmon. MyDinnerIdeas.net, stories that taste like home.